What's going on, my peoples? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I know y'all like, man, where you been at, bruh? Been busy, been tied down on a lot, but I got some time on my hands, so I definitely want to tune in, start trying to get some momentum going again, hopefully. You know what I mean? So with that being said, man, I'm gonna jump out here, man. As you can see from the thumbnail, gonna tackle that brake situation, this rear brake situation. Went ahead and ordered the rotors, all that good jive, and now I'm just waiting for it to come. So with that being said, definitely wanted to get in here and start dismantling this thing and seeing what we got. Let me see if I can get some light going on here. Oh yeah, there you go. Is it on? Okay, there we go. So you see that thing, man. I already got it drained out. So, man, we gonna go ahead and knock this out, man. We're gonna go ahead and knock this out. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all, man. So, when it comes to like rear brakes, especially that drum situation, I ain't never did drum brakes in my life, ever. Like, it seemed like before I have an opportunity to change it, I always get rid of the car. So, I'm a little nervous by it. To be honest with you, all them springs and stuff in that thing, man, that thing look confusing as hell. So, my partner was like, it should be relatively easy. I don't know, cause taking these springs off, you know, springs got all that resistance to it. So, I don't want these things get to flying and stuff everywhere. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna go and move this bad boy out the garage just in case. You know what I mean? So, let's go ahead and do that, and let's go ahead and tackle it. You did. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell so we can stay alert to all the new drops. You dig? So let's get at them. Let's go ahead and plug this bad boy. Oh yeah, best thing if I need to go and pull that up, but I don't need to right now. Let's go and unplug it, man, so we can get this thing out. Ready gloves and some iron. And from my understanding, in order to take these springs off, I just need to be able to get a good grip. So I'll probably use something like this. These, maybe these, I don't know. So we're gonna get that. We're gonna get a flat head. Get something decent, you know, old time. Bad boy. Which one? So let's get these two. That should be good. Alright, that ran in. Thing's still looking good in that thing. You know what I'm saying? Positive track. So, I'm gonna go ahead and. Damn, can I? I have to put the car in gear, I think. Yeah, so go ahead and put the car in gear real quick so I can move this thing. Actually, I don't need to move it because the pin right there. But yeah, no, I'm gonna need to move it to push the axles in. So, all right, so let me go ahead and put the car in gear real quick, and then we can spin this. Take that 10 a piece, take that 10 off, that holding bolt, and then I'll take that holding pin out, and we'll be able to spin this thing around a little bit, push these axles in, and slide them out. Alright, now I got the holding pin. I can go ahead and just stick this right up in. Ooh, it's right there. There we go. So put it down on that. So they expect it a little bit, so we gotta do is just shoot this out, and then we gotta shoot this bolt in the back, and then we'll be able to take this whole contraption out. You did. So I definitely want to go to the other side, get the axles out, so then I'll be able to maneuver. But something in me want me to go ahead and take this apart, so I think I'm gonna take this apart. You did. So let's see what's up. Easy. Drop that. Easy. Watch that thing, watch that thing. Uh-oh, hold on, what's holding it now? What's holding it now? Don't do me like that now. But it's off. It's something like this. So it's actually the brake line. Yep, brake line. It is, that thing off. That thing off, man. Took a little minute. No, it really didn't. The only thing I want to say is pay attention what you're doing, man. So I was sitting there, and what I tell you, buddy, little jokers about to get a little, they get a little car, think you got some speed on it. You know what I'm saying? They gonna get up on it. You know what I mean? In the neighborhood, residential, you ain't going nowhere, fool. But anywho. So yeah, pay attention. So I was sitting here struggling with the brake line, trying to get it disconnected, just to realize that I was twisting that thing the wrong way. You know how easy it is to strip the brake line. So pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. But it's all, it's all. I kind of slick want to see what that other one gonna look like real quick. Let me see if I can grab it. I'll go like this. Ooh, yeah, that thing go down like that. So now that I got that off, man, from what I'm understanding, gotta cut these ears off. So I'm gonna cut right in this area. I'm gonna get this cleaned up so I can see it better. But there is a line. And shouts out, man, shouts out to Penny LS1 for spitting out that knowledge. So basically, you know, he was cutting, he cut it up here somewhere, and then later found out that, you know what I mean, you cut it along that line, and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna do the same thing, cut it along that line, and then I ain't gonna cut it today. I gotta get all this stuff cleaned up. But I'm gonna go ahead, take the other side apart, and then we're gonna get this we're gonna get this other thing up there. We did, so. Oh yeah, so once we cut this, we gotta drill holes here and here. And we gotta widen up these holes from what I'm understanding. Yeah, for the bigger bolts. So, all it should be relatively simple to do. So we're gonna see what's up. You did, so stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, man, so I was getting absolutely nowhere with this thing, man. So this little 3-inch cutting wheel situation with my air compressor, it wasn't putting a dent in this thing. So I'm gonna step out and go get one that plugs up. A 4.5-inch grinding cutoff wheel situation. I'm gonna come back to this, man, and knock this out, man. So as you can see, it started getting a little bit happening, but it wasn't working out for the kids. So yeah, it wasn't working out at all. So we're gonna see what's to it, man. I got this little situation from Harbor Freight, of course. You know what I mean? Harbor Freight, best thing they be coming through. So we're gonna get this put together and go and get back to work, see what's up with it. So that helped out a lot, you know what I mean? Got it cut down. I definitely started digging a little bit right here on this edge, but I'm gonna grind that down, round it off. But it should take this caliber bracket. Let me see. Let's see. Set y'all up. Oh yeah. It fit really good. Oh yeah, it fit real good. So yeah, that's gonna be it there. That's gonna be it. I ain't gonna lie, this ain't a bad little situation. You know what I mean? Take a little time, but it ain't bad, it ain't bad. Alright, so go ahead and start drilling these holes out down here at the bottom here. I went ahead and stuck this cloth in, man, so I can, you know, protect the seals and stuff on the inside. So I'm gonna start with this one over here. We're gonna see what's to it. So I'm gonna use a 5/16 first. Then I'm gonna bump it up to a 3/8, and then I'm gonna go all the way up to the 13/32. So let's see what we get. Man, oh man. Man, it's easy, but it ain't easy. I'm telling you that now. But I got this side already drilled out completely. You know what I mean? And the other side, got the holes drilled out. Taking the caliper, not caliper, taking the bracket off. So I can paint these brackets. But as you can see, they there. Much like what Penny LS1 was saying, that top hole rather close to the edge. Man, that joint is, woo, look at the webbing on that thing. Ooh, that thing, man, one more bit it would snap. I'm gonna take these, I'm gonna get these sprayed up. I'm gonna paint them all black, get them clean, paint them black, get them mounted, and then we're gonna go ahead and start putting this stuff together. My rotors came in today, so same rotors for in the front, slotted drill rotors, and it's gonna look amazing. We already done painted the calipers and all that good stuff, man. So everything is ready to go back on. You did. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get this rolling.